Hello guys, and welcome to my first dude video. I meant to go like this. And I was just hanging out here with Ivan. And then I realized there was a weird noise coming from upstairs, so let's go check it out. The lighting might be very bad up there. Just a little warning. Just a little warning. So that was just someone up there was just drawing. Yep, that's like 6:30 in the morning. I'm sitting on the couch and drawing. Don't ask me. And I gotta make it my signature thing now. Alright, that's my thing. What was it that I'm forgetting something? Wanted to, it's up to a minute already. Wanted to tell you about something. Like, oh yeah, I got my flu shot yesterday. I got it like right here. But that's like, it still hurts. It's like, it feels like a zombie's chewing off my arm. And it was yesterday. I actually didn't hurt that bad when I was getting the shot. My arm just hurts now because it's sore from the shot. You know what I mean? Well, you know, YouTube won't let me upload anything that's too long. And I also got a cut right here. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to end the video here, and thank you for watching.